The all-new 2026 Nissan X-Trail Nismo e-Power SUV is here. And trust me, this thing looks wild, powerful, and straight-up exciting. If you love sporty SUVs, cool design, aggressive styling, and smart hybrid tech, you are going to love this one. This SUV is built to look bold, feel fast, and still give you the comfort of a family vehicle. It is like mixing a race car's attitude with a family SUV's practicality, and Nissan has done a really impressive job with it. Let's start with the way it looks, because honestly, that is the first thing that grabs your attention. The 2026 Nissan X-Trail Nismo gets a special aggressive styling kit that makes it look tougher, sharper, and sportier than the regular model. The front end is totally bold with a bigger grille, sharper headlights, and special Nismo touches that make it look ready to attack the road. The bumper is redesigned to look meaner and lower, almost like it is saying, "Get out of my way." You also get sporty red accents around the body, which is a signature Nismo style, and it instantly tells everyone that this is not a normal SUV. This is the performance-inspired one. The side profile is also super impressive. The SUV gets sporty side skirts, aerodynamic lines, and larger, stylish alloy wheels that look like they came straight from a racing track. They fill up the wheel arches perfectly and give the X-Trail Nismo a strong, muscular stance. It sits slightly lower than the regular SUV, which helps reduce wind drag and gives better stability at higher speeds. Even when it is parked, it looks like it is ready to move fast. That is the beauty of Nismo design. It never looks boring. The back of the SUV also gets a completely sporty makeover. You get a bold rear bumper, red accents, a sporty spoiler, and redesigned taillights that look super sharp. The dual exhaust style finish gives it that performance SUV vibe. Overall, the exterior is loud, confident, bold, and full of attitude. If you want an SUV that turns heads, this one easily does it. Now let's talk about the heart of this SUV, which is its e-Power system. The Nissan X-Trail Nismo uses Nissan's smart e-Power hybrid technology. But here's something cool and different. This SUV does not work like a normal hybrid. Instead of just giving the engine power directly to the wheels, the engine mainly works like a generator. It charges the battery, and then electric motors power the wheels. So you get the smooth feeling of driving an electric car, but you don't need to plug it in like a full EV. You simply fill gas and drive, while the system automatically manages energy. This gives you super smooth acceleration, quiet driving, and quick power when you hit the gas pedal. The instant torque from the electric motors makes the SUV feel very responsive. Whether you're driving on the highway, in the city, or climbing a hill, the car feels strong and confident. And since this is a Nismo-tuned SUV, the performance is sharper and sportier than the standard X-Trail. The steering feels tighter, the suspension is tuned for better handling, and overall it gives you a more exciting drive. Another great thing is fuel efficiency. Because it is using hybrid technology, the SUV saves a lot of fuel. You get more miles without burning as much gas as a regular gasoline SUV. So it's powerful, fun, and still smart when it comes to fuel use. That's a win for your wallet and also better for the environment. Now let's step inside the 2026 Nissan X-Trail Nismo e-Power and talk about the interior. As soon as you open the door, you can see this is not a basic interior. Nissan has gone for a sporty luxury look. You get comfortable Nismo sport seats with better support so you feel steady when driving fast or cornering. Many interior trims have red stitching and sporty details that match the outside look. The cabin feels modern, cool, and stylish. The dashboard looks clean and advanced with a big touchscreen in the center that handles navigation, music, settings, and all your tech needs in a clear and easy way. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, wireless features, and lots of smart connectivity options to make your daily life easy. Space is also impressive inside. The Nissan X-Trail is known for being family-friendly, and even though this is a sporty Nismo model, it is still comfortable. There's plenty of headroom, legroom, and shoulder room for passengers. The back seats are great for adults, kids, or even tall teens. You can take your whole family, friends, or luggage comfortably. Whether it's grocery day, a road trip, or a weekend adventure, this SUV fits everything easily. The cargo area is big and flexible. You can fold seats down and make room for even more stuff like bikes, suitcases, camping gear, shopping bags, or sports equipment. Comfort is another area where the X-Trail Nismo doesn't compromise. The ride feels smooth, quiet, and stable. Even though it's sporty, it still gives you a relaxed and comfortable experience on long drives. The cabin is nicely insulated, which keeps road noise low and makes conversations easy. You can talk, listen to music, or just enjoy the drive peacefully. Safety is a big deal today, and Nissan takes it seriously. The 2026 X-Trail Nismo e-Power comes with a full package of advanced safety technology. You get automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and many more intelligent features. These systems help the driver stay aware and protected. They're like extra helping hands while driving, especially in busy city roads or long highway trips. Nissan's safety tech makes you feel confident and secure. Let's talk about who this SUV is really for. If you're someone who loves sporty cars but still needs a practical family vehicle, this SUV fits right in. If you want something that looks aggressive, feels powerful, drives smooth like an EV, saves fuel like a hybrid, and gives space like an SUV, then this Nismo X-Trail checks all the boxes. It works great for city driving, daily commuting, school runs, grocery trips, and weekend road trips. It's stylish enough for young buyers, practical enough for families, and cool enough for car lovers. The 2026 X-Trail Nismo e-Power is also a strong statement from Nissan. It shows that the brand is serious about mixing performance with modern hybrid technology. Instead of making just another normal SUV, they made something exciting and emotional. When you look at it, you feel excited. When you sit inside, you feel special. And when you drive it, you feel connected and confident. In simple words, the 2026 X-Trail Nismo e-Power SUV is not just a car, it's an experience. It's bold, aggressive, stylish, powerful, fuel-efficient, family-friendly, and packed with modern tech. It's the kind of SUV that makes you smile every time you see it and every time you hit the road. If you want something that stands out in the crowd, this one definitely does that. So that's the full story of the new 2026 Nissan X-Trail Nismo e-Power SUV with its aggressive styling kit and powerful hybrid system. It's sporty, smart, stylish, and super fun to drive, while still being practical enough for daily life. Whether you're a car lover, a tech fan, a family driver, or someone who simply loves cool SUVs, this one seriously deserves attention.